So it is Wednesday, and Dad has got,
We put the bumpers on today
yeah,
on both sides, and the springs and the spring rubbers.
okay. Was it
Tires are ready to go. They got seals, bearings, braces.
perfect? Wow, quite a bit of progress then. This side's done.
Yeah, the sides
Looks like Peter was painting the wheel wells as well. Was it hard getting those springs in, or did you pop right in?
A little bit of swearing, but
Okay.
they went.
Okay. And just so you guys know, we've done this on previous videos. Those are spring dampers. We do sell them. They're 175 each, 350 per pair, plus shipping. They're 8-coil spring coil dampers. Peter and Dad have got all the axles on. I think we showed that there yesterday, but it looks like more paint. I saw Peter doing some painting on the inside here, and he's got
All the gauges out.
the cans out, and oh, so Dad has all the gauges out now as well. They're going to put new gauges in there because I don't think the old gauges are going to suffice too much.
And then on this side, we had this was bent in,
Yeah.
so we straightened that.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is, we got a couple more things here, Peter, if you want to do it yet. No, not paint. I got to give you a screwdriver to find in there. Take this off, and I can't see from here. Is that Phillips or the hour meter, or is that a flat? Hey, Phillips.
Okay.
Small Phillips.
So anyways, I saw Peter in the back here. You guys can see that he's got this. He's doing the painting in here now for the engine compartment and the gas tanks. And he's got this done here. So there's actually quite a bit of progress he's been doing here. And they're doing all this for rust protection. So it's Rust-Oleum paint that they're doing. And they're getting all this ready and prepped and painted so that they can continue on. One of the things we are going to end up likely doing is hire a guy to finish off the extra paint grinding on the sides and the top, because it's too much for these guys, and we want to make sure that we're not getting gassed out in the shop. Anyways, the dogs are inside. They had a hell of a snowstorm last night, and Charlie spent inside, but Filipino Emily and Daisy were outside in the doghouse. So they had a cold night. We got a bunch of blowing snow, but they're pretty happy to come in for treats. And Peter's just doing a little more disassembling here. So you're at over 1,300 subscribers.
We're anxiously awaiting this.
Yeah, everybody's commenting and they just love the progress. One guy complained that you ground off the hinges though on the first day, and I didn't have the heart to explain to him that to do a little WD-40ing for 1 hour would cost more than the 25-cent hinges that were on the side here.
They're all rusted.
Yeah, so, but he didn't like that, so
Next time we'll save them for you.
yeah, exactly. So guys are still tackling stuff in here. They're going to end up
What you do
hiring.
with old bearings and races, like
Yeah.
for the wheels,
Yeah,
you incorporate them into front wheels,
yeah,
or give them to Kyle Martin. So
yeah. There you go. So the guys are going to do a bunch of work on the inside. Probably going to hire a guy for that one as well. But yeah, coming along here. Stinky in the shop, but we got the air exchanger on, so they're not getting gassed out. Dad's happy, Peter's happy, the dogs are happy, and that is it for now, guys.